Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor has sent me another product. It's a free product. This is a paid review. This is a great product. We live full-time in an RV. This is built for campers and RVs. This is a camping cutting board. It's more than a cutting board, though. It's a colander, a place to rinse your fruit and your tomatoes and your vegetables or anything like that. It is a mandolin. It comes with knives, a mandolin, a grater, lots of things. Let's open this up and really take a good look at this. This is a real bargain that I think anybody who's camping, tent camping, RVing, or maybe even just at home, you might want this. So let's take a look, shall we? So here we go. As you can see, taking it out of the bag, it's very compact. That's the first thing I noticed. Very compact. So let's take it apart and get to it, shall we? So the very top part here, you have a cutting board. Very nice, very cleanable. It's got an edge around it so to catch the juices, which is nice. In here, look at that. You've got one knife. There's a paring knife. Two knives. Oh. Vegetable cutting knife. You have mandolin. You take this and you just push it out there. And then you take any one of these. Let's say you wanted a mandolin blade. Take that out. And put it in. And pop it in there. Now you have a mandolin board. The very cool part about this, though, too, is this expands into a bucket, like so. Pop this on top. Oop. Pop this on top. And I'm just going to use this onion that I have. And I don't know, that onion's kind of old. But as you can see, they have some nice, very thinly sliced red onion. Very nice for a salad. Let's say, oh, there's some more red onions. Let's say you've brought home some tomatoes from the market. Just put them in here and wash them. Pop that back out. Pop the mandolin blade back out. Rinse that off. Put this back on. Okay, so gotta be honest, the mandolin blade, not so great. But some of the other blades look like they would work great. The shredder blade, I think, would work phenomenal. This you could, I guess, press pasta through. Be all right. And this blade looks like it's up high enough where it would actually cut some things. The mandolin blade just isn't up. It isn't raised high enough up off the plastic to cut anything. So that is a design flaw there. The rest of these look very nice, very usable. The colander, very nice. Put this together. You just line up those pegs like this. Snap it together like that. And then, let's try this knife out, shall we? On a tomato. Oh, very sharp. Very sharp knife. Very sharp. Very nice. Folks, I would go out and get your camping cutting board. If you're camping this summer or this spring, go out and get one of these today. These are awesome. Look at how sharp that knife was. Very nice. And the colander, very nice.